This is the solar eclipse that took place in Toronto, Ontario, Canada on Monday, April 8, 2024 from 2 to 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It was cloudy with intermittent sun that day, so when thick clouds hid the solar eclipse, those parts were edited out of the video. The original weather forecast was rain, so we didn't buy a solar filter for the camera lens. Instead, we cut old unexposed 35mm film negatives and put them under a polarized lens cover. Luckily, clouds covered less than half of the solar eclipse episode, so we were able to capture some of this beautiful and rare celestial phenomena. The moon's gravitational pull affects tides, so it must have some influence in attracting clouds to Earth's atmosphere. The sky was totally clear for at least an hour after the total eclipse ended. The solar eclipse of April 8, 2024 was a total solar eclipse visible within a band covering parts of North America, stretching from Mexico through the United States and into Canada. The solar eclipse occurred because the moon passed between Earth and the sun, which blocked out the sun and darkened Earth.